Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing the space before you spray Raid Bug Spray in a room. Remove children and pets from the room for at least 10 minutes before spraying. Read the product label and follow directions for surface type and target pest. Open a window or use a fan to provide a steady cross breeze while spraying. Clear food, dishes, and uncovered produce from countertops and tables before application. Wear disposable gloves and consider a simple face shield. If you have active respiratory, aim precisely and use short bursts to apply Raid for effective control of insects. Hold the can 6 to 12 inches from the target surface while applying in short bursts. Spray cracks, baseboards, and entry points rather than broad open-air misting. Use 2 to 3 second bursts per spot and avoid over-applying on a surface. For flying insects, sweep slowly across the flight path without saturating the room. Treat around doors, window frames, and under sinks where pests commonly travel. After application, ventilate the area for at least 10 minutes and keep people out. Ventilate the area for at least 10 minutes after using Raid, and then wait before re-entry. If you sprayed near dishes or food areas, wipe treated surface after the label specified dwell time if food contact can occur. Dispose of used gloves and wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Store the can upright, away from heat, and out of reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.